Alright, boys, so we got the clutch in the mail today, and I'm super hyped for that. The problem is that we don't have the bolt that goes in the end of the drive shaft, the end of the crankshaft. So the clutch just slides on and off because this clutch doesn't use set screws. So right now I'm going to Ace to go get the bolt and the washer to hold the clutch on, and then I'll catch you in a minute. Here's what we got, boys. We got the 5/16 by 24 bolt and a 1 1/4 inch washer. That might be a little bit big, but oversized should be fine. But if it really does need to go down, we can just grind it down a little bit. But it should be completely fine, even though it is a bit oversized. I will catch you back at the house. Sorry, I know these video clips are all over the place, but we got home with the clutch and with that bolt and the washer in the last clip, and now we are cutting the length. We already cut the pipe, but we need to re-weld the bolt to the pipe. I'll get back to you when it's done. I might take a B-roll clip of him welding. Alright, boys, we got it welded back on shorter. So yeah, we just gotta remount the engine, start getting the chain, and then it should be rolling today. At least it should move under its own power, but we don't have brakes, so we can't do like top speed testing or anything. Sorry for the sketchy video this time, how we're doing so many like jump cuts and it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. But here she sits. Everything runs. I did take it on a quick test drive, but without brakes it's a little bit scary, and I didn't want to film. I didn't want to go one-handed. So yeah, it runs. Probably drive video coming soon. Installing brakes will most likely be after that video. But thank you for watching, you beautiful people, and bye-bye.